Namaskar, this is your Vineet, and today I'm going to discuss on Sattu because I'm getting so many questions related to Sattu, and everybody wants to know about Sattu. And I'm also having Sattu, like been a long time now, but Sattu has lots of benefits and it contains good amount of fibers and proteins. So today I'm going to tell you that is sattu equivalent to a protein shake, whey protein shake, and this is good for budget friendly gym goers. So they can, if they can't invest money on whey protein because of the price, so they can invest money in sattu and that will cost them cheap. So even their nutritional values are also good. So let's talk about Sattu. Sattu is equivalent to a whey protein shake, and Sattu is nothing but just it's a black chickpea chana roasted and then ground to a powder. Yes, it is that simple. It does not need weeks to extract or days to process or hours to make. It is made of roasted gram flour. This composition is one of the highest sources of vegetarian protein and a quality that is most easily absorbed by the body. So, why to include sattu in your daily routine? It has highly nutritive and it is pocket friendly. Whenever you are going here and there, you can carry with you and you can easily have. That's what I'm doing, and I do most of the time. And it's very easy to make at home, uh, because it's easy. It's easily available in the market and it's easy to drink. You can sip like a whey protein. So it is one of the richest source of protein. Almost 60 grams of this roasted flour will give you 19.7 grams of high quality protein along with iron and fiber. So it means like 60 grams, like 4 tablespoon of this roasted flour will give you 19.7 grams of high quality protein along with iron and fiber. And it's rich in calcium, magnesium, uh, a fantastic combination as magnesium, which helps calcium to get better absorbed into the body. So you can see how essential and how efficient for our body. So this makes it excellent for bone health and prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. And it's a super healthy food for children too, for especially for growing children or for pregnant women or senior adults. They also can have this. It's very good for their health. So, and one more thing, like if a person is doing weight loss, I used to recommend to my clients. Why? Because it aids fat and weight loss. It's an excellent for strong sexual health and is a natural colon cleanser. So what I used to recommend for elderly people, and sick people, bedridden people, people recovering from serious diseases or surgery, I recommend them sattu or roasted gram flour will, build their strength and muscle mass rapidly. So most of you will be thinking that, sattu will cause a lot of gas just like chana do. In fact, it's just the opposite. Ayurveda states that in this form, like sattu, people with gas will be relieved. And it's true because I used to have this and I just experienced it, and it's really good. It's not like what people say, like you will get gas or something. No, as per the Ayurveda, and it's proved, which I'm doing it, and it's really so. If you have any gas, it will be relieved definitely. So I'm going to share you the procedure to make sattu powder at home. So what you can do, take brown roasted chana, unsalted, just grind it into powder, grind it to very fine powder and store it in the fridge in airtight jar. So what I generally do, I used to make sattu drink as well. What you can do, like take 2 tablespoons of sattu in a glass of simple water. You can add a little bit coconut water with lime and a little bit jaggery. You can add if you want to, or mint leaves and salt, and blend all the ingredients in the blender and chill it. And you can take it as a post workout drink or at any time of the day. So it's a natural coolant in summers as well, and it's good for your body and it's good for your muscles as well because it contains good amount of protein and fiber. So generally I used to take a post workout sometimes, and because I don't take too much whey protein because whey protein doesn't suit me, so I generally believe in diet. I stay on diet and I eat these kind of natural things. So that is a way. So if you will eat healthy, you will stay strong, and you are, everybody knows that. So I'm here to guide you. Just like and kindly follow and subscribe my channel, so I will make more videos on health and fitness. And keep commenting, keep liking, and thanks for watching me, guys. Namaste.